The snake has survived my jacket. I was about to.
Ebirabiri na mushanju ebyokwezi ku11 by'omwaka ogu hakabaho ebitengure gombora yaburunganya omu district ya Bulambuli aho abantu 36 bafiire kandi n'abandi bakabura obutoro obwa hati na bamwe bakibuzire. Oriyenganzi y'ihanga atayireho abantu abahonokireho okubasasira n'okubaraganisa gavumenti eriyo neetaho byo okubarabaronderaho kutora. Obwa hati Right Honorable Robin Anabanja naza kumara obwire buringo muri mbare kurebuka ngo abantu aba bafurwa omu mwanya ogu.
I'm reliably informed as of yesterday that we have so far lost 36 people, recovered 36 bodies, and the president this time is like, we need to do things and do them now. He said the people from all those dangerous enclaves must be relocated.
Isabita itutira amabega enganzi y'ihanga ikashaba ministry y'ebyosente okutekaho sente z'okufurira abantu aba kandi obwa hati billion 50 zo zashohozibwe. Enganzi y'ihanga negira ngu tihine omuntu n'omwe oshemerire kuremesa okufurira abantu aba.
Mwena tubagala nga muli balamu si kyekyo naye tujja kukola verification nga tusinziira ku records zetulina eza census. Wayewandikisizaawa chairman weyani ku kyalo obadde obeerawa ate bwe kibanga ekyalo tekirina buzibu lwaki bavuddeyo tusaba mukkirize bakole kye bayita verification tumanye ani yaani yavuddewa kubanga bangambye nti abamu bavudde budaka.
Konka omunyishenjero w'ekicweka eki wamakuyu mudimi nagira ngu n'abantu abamwe abatarateganisibwe batandikire kubejwanzamu ngo bakatunga kasente ka gavumenti.
These are people who came from other places.
Where did the 2,000 come from?
We'll verify, and these are all over this world. Eh? So when people got wind of the Kamane and the land, people moved. Even I've seen cases from Kampala even here, who have moved to the camp.
Enganzi y'ihanga etayiraho itaka lya bunambukye gavumenti eri kuteekateeka kuretaho abantu aba kandi yiguraho n'okukora enguuto zimwe ah'itaka eri.
President of the Republic of Uganda, it is my honor and privilege to officially launch the construction of roads and of course the demarcation of plots of land which we are going to distribute to our vulnerable beneficiary people who are going to be shifted to this place.
Right Honorable Robin Anabanja ori omunyishenjero kazi ahabwa akakomero yatayiraho abantu abahe bekumire obu gavumenti eriyo nebateraho oburyo.
The president is like, we must remove our people. We should not really keep crying and lamenting. We need lives. Given 2 acres of land, live. You are paid money, you don't want to leave, but leave. Are we together? You have said, no, I don't want the money. I don't want the money. The other option is death.